Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. In this video I will show you how to switch between projects in DaVinci Resolve 18. Okay, let's say you're in this project and you want to easily switch to another project. What you want to do is click in the bottom right corner on the house symbol and then right click on the black space. Then go to dynamic project switching. So now it's enabled. Then you can just go close. Okay, and now if you go back to the house symbol again, right click on the blank space, you can see dynamic project switching is enabled. And now it's actually pretty easy. Just go here in the top in the middle, just select the arrow, and then you can see your projects that you have opened. Then you can just click it, and then you're on the other project. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to switch between projects in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, please let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.